Let's imagine that you're doing everything you can. You're like trying to eat healthy, you're trying to exercise, you're trying to get your vitamins and minerals in, you're trying to get plenty of rest, and you still don't feel well. You're still tired, lethargic, you're irritable, frustrated, low energy, you're moody, you're still gaining weight, you still have a poor metabolism. If I'm speaking to anybody, the Burnout Kit is for you. Let's imagine some of you, not all of you, but let's assume some of you may even be on hormone replacement therapy because your hormones are all over the place, or you're trying to work on your thyroid, right? You're on thyroid medications, you're trying to balance your thyroid levels. I'm speaking to you if you're doing any of that, okay? You do not have to be on thyroid medications. You do not have to be working on hormone replacement therapy to do the Burnout Kit. I'm just saying for people that are working on hormones in any shape or form, it is very effective for these people, okay? Hi, my name is Phil. I'm with Silver Fern Brand. Okay, there are 3 missing areas that we find that if people are not addressing these areas, they do not feel optimal. They don't feel complete. Once again, tired, lethargic, low energy, weight gain, moody, they're frustrated, they're having hormone imbalances, they can't convert T4 to T3, estrogen dominance, they can't clear cortisol, so they end up with high cortisol or low cortisol. These are people that really struggle with weight issues typically, poor sleep. There are 3 areas that you can go research any of them that most people are missing that cause all of this. Once again, liver, cellular health, and neurotransmitter balance. Okay, so with this protocol, with the Burnout Kit protocol or kit, we are helping with liver health, cellular health, and neurotransmitter balance. Let's just start at the top and work down. So the first one is liver complex. Liver complex is not a gentle liver product. So if you want a gentle liver product with a little bit of artichoke leaf extract and dandelion root for $12, go buy that on Amazon. With this product, we are trying to get stuff done. We are trying to actually effectively and noticeably help your liver. So if you're doing blood work at the beginning and blood work at the end in 6 months, you should notice the results, meaning things should be improving. I will explain what those things are in a minute. Liver complex, 4 clinically studied ingredients at the clinical doses to assist with all 3 stages of liver detoxification. You've got Silliphos, milk thistle, bergavit, bergamot, Altalix, artichoke leaf extract. This is not standard artichoke leaf extract. I know we sell artichoke leaf extract. It's in our motility product and upper GI relief. This is a Sicilian artichoke leaf extract, different. Then we've got Durabete in it, okay? TMG, betaine, however you want me to say that, okay? From sugar beets. There you go. All right, so the purpose of liver complex at the start at the top. If you have elevated liver enzymes, we're helping with that. Check. If you have fatty liver, check. Obviously, we're using Silliphos milk thistle that has up to a 4 times higher absorption rate in the liver than standard milk thistle, and we're using a lot of it. Bergavit is what we use to help with cholesterol and triglyceride issues. You'll notice a significant improvement in your reduction in LDL, improvement in HDL, and a significant reduction in triglyceride levels. Once again, also helping with liver enzymes. Altalix, artichoke leaf extract, has up to a 43.1% improvement in insulin sensitivity over 6 months. And then the Durabete is methylation. We're trying to be as effective as we can at the entire process of liver health because many of you need help with vitamin and mineral utilization, right, to help your thyroid. Many of you need a healthy liver to clear toxins. You're doing a gut health protocol with us or somebody else. Many of you are not losing weight very effectively, even though you're taking products like metabolism. A sluggish liver is 100% going to affect how well your other products work for your weight loss goals. It just is. Sluggish liver equals weight gain. So the purpose of the liver complex is a lot. A lot of mood products don't work well when your liver is sluggish because a sluggish liver equals poor mood. And by the way, if your cortisol is recycling and you take something to reduce cortisol, it doesn't matter. You're still going to feel like you have elevated cortisol levels because of a sluggish liver because you keep recycling. A lot of people come to us and they're like, we've got hormone imbalances like estrogen dominance and all those things. Liver problem. That is a liver problem, okay? So that's what liver complex is for. Please give it the 4 to 6 months. Don't do it for 30 days and say, oh, my cholesterol, triglyceride, insulin, it's not all resolved in 30 days. Well, I didn't say that. This is a process. With liver complex, just personally speaking, you don't have to do this. I do this. But you can double this product. You can. You can literally take 6 capsules a day. The standard dose is 3 capsules. Take it with a meal. I don't know that you have to take it with a meal. I take it with a meal. I'm aggressive. So the aggressive version of this, which is not in this protocol, you can get an extra bottle of liver complex if you want. You don't have to. And you can double the dose for like 3 to 4 months, and that's totally fine. But you don't have to. I just did it because I'm impatient, okay? Just throwing that out there. Okay, so liver complex, super good, super effective. You will notice at work. The second product, Build. Build is our cellular health product. Has 2 ingredients, Reagev and Strengthera. Reagev, I would argue, is way more effective at cellular health than standard cellular health products. Why? Because it is significantly increasing your production of NAD+, your production of ATP, your production of glutathione. It is significantly improving mitochondrial function. It is significantly helping reduce oxidative stress and cortisol levels. It is what I would argue to be a more complete or effective option for addressing cellular health. You're not just getting NAD+, you're not just getting glutathione, you're not just getting this or that or ATP, you're getting all of it, and it's increasing your production. We know it's effective because it is very clinically studied. They're very good clinical studies, and we are using it at the appropriate doses. We want you to notice it. Strengthera. Strengthera increases mTOR activation. So where it's going to help with strength, recovery, endurance, reps, all of that type of stuff. Natural energy, that's what Build is for. It also takes time to restore those things. Now, is it significantly increasing glutathione and all that in the first 5 to 10 days? It is, but my hell, please give it time. Give it the 8 weeks like it's supposed to per the research studies for Build. So personally, I still take the powder form just because I kind of actually got a taste. I like the taste. A lot of people don't. But Build is 3 capsules a day. You take it with food or without food, okay? I take it with food. I just take it all together. I'm fine with capsules. Some people aren't. But like I said, I still like the powder mix because I think the taste is fine. But a lot of people don't. So we're selling it in the capsule form so we don't get complaints on flavor. All right, Stress Complex. Stress Complex has one major hero ingredient, and it is major. It's called safranside. Safranside is how we help balance the neurotransmitters. If you are low in serotonin and low in dopamine and all that, it'll help increase that. It'll help increase BDNF. It helps with cognition, focus, helps you cope with stress. It helps how you feel. It's going to significantly improve your mood over 6 to 8 weeks. That's what we're using it for. Clinically studied and to also help with sleep. This is a product that also helps reduce oxidative stress. It helps restore healthy inflammatory responses. The product helps with everything from perimenopause all the way over to PMS and everything in between. Great product. If you are interested in helping with the the gut-brain axis, right? The nervous system, you want Stress Complex. A lot of people, believe it or not, they'll have like really bad constipation issues and they still just can't get over the hump. Stress Complex. Now, I'm going to throw out my 2 cents. In the moderate to severe protocol, it offers the option of taking a capsule in the morning and at night, 1 at night, so 2 bottles. I love this. It works amazing, especially if you're taking this with your other vitamins and minerals like your magnesium glycinate and stuff like that. It works so freaking amazing, okay? You will notice it. Please don't message us after 4 days and say it didn't solve your life's problems. That's not fair. Give it 6 to 8 weeks on how you begin to feel it. If you're doing health markers, like you're getting your blood work done, which I highly encourage people to do, give it the 4 to 6 months, please. This works for how you feel. It'll help with metabolic, your weight programs. It's going to help you be able to control your eating behaviors. It just takes time, and you have to do your part, okay? Once again, you still have to diet, exercise, try to not overeat. This is a great protocol. Bye.